guys, welcome back. I'm at Snake Woodlands at the minute and I'm just going to park somewhere along the Snake Pass and do a camp tonight. The reason I've not done any videos for a few months is because I've bought a van. I've been doing a bit of work on that, building it, getting it ready for trips, and hopefully I'll have lots more adventures in the van. So yeah, this is just a bit of a test run tonight, but I thought I'd come for a bit of a walk down Snake Woodlands. There's lots of logging going off, but yeah, hopefully we'll still see some nice sort of scenery. So yeah, let's go for a bit of a walk and then I'll show you the van when I get back up to the car park. See where the trucks have been through. A lot of it's been flattened down, but hopefully in time it will sort of go back to the way it was before. Let's have a bit of a walk down to the waterfall. Quite a few cars up at the car park, but I've not seen anybody camping down here yet, but it's still quite early, so let's go this way. It's not too far now to the waterfall. Perhaps not as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's a bit muddy over there, so I'm just going to walk on these stones across to the other side, where it looks like it'll be a bit better than walking through all the mud up there. Just have to be careful because some of these rocks are pretty slippery as well, so Can be just as bad. Right, I'll film again when I get over this bit of a log bridge. It's like a whole tree's come over. Wow. Guess that's happened in the recent storms we had, but you can see it's just completely ripped all the roots out of the ground. Straight over. Let's go across this log bridge. I'll just do a bit of a walk down the end here, and then we'll walk to the waterfall, and then I'll go back to the van, show you a bit of the van, and I'll drive to where we're going to park tonight, hopefully. Right, so we'll walk up here to the waterfall. It's probably, well, hopefully there's nobody camping there this early, but we'll just go and have a look. I've camped around this area before, I think about a year ago, 2 years ago. All these sort of ferns were a lot taller then, and they're pretty much all dead at the minute, but they'll come back about April, May time. It looks a lot different then. So, but yeah, it's a nice spot, very popular. The last camp I did about 3.5 months ago was up there on that ridge at the top, looking down on all this. So I'm just kind of walking along the bottom of the valley next to the stream at the minute. This is the, well, it's a river, the River Ashap. Up these steps. Being careful because it's a bit muddy. I can't see anybody camping at the waterfall, so not yet anyway. Lots of moss covered rocks and stones around here. If you have a look behind me, you can see them. Everything's sort of nice and green looking at the minute. See what I mean about all these rocks. Very green. There's the waterfall. Quite a nice spot. Good spot to come swimming in the summer. Let's come up here and we'll have a look back. Quite a nice spot. Right, I'm just going to climb up to the top up here, and then I'll probably head back down, back to the van, and we'll go and find somewhere to park for the night. There's usually quite a few spots on the Snake Pass, so hopefully I'll be able to get in one of the laybys, and if not, I'll just park at the Snake Pass car park. Bit of a cloudy day today. Lots of mist around as I was driving in. Oh, bit of a drop off down there. Right, let's go back to the van. Not very far to walk. 15 minutes. I did see some people setting up a tent as I was coming in, so they should have a pretty good night tonight. I don't think it's going to be too cold, probably about, I don't know, 2-3 degrees. One last look at the waterfall. Gotta watch my footing with all these stones. Now, this will be the first time I've camped in the van on this road, so yeah, it should be quite good. The one thing I like about the Snake Pass is you just got, you know, really nice views, quite high elevation, so you get the mist in the mornings and, you know, all the trees and stuff. It's quite a good spot. Probably, yeah, one of my favourite roads probably in the country. Alright, just got to be careful how I get down these steps. That's it, I'm down. Alright, just making my way back along the riverbed. Not too bad. Better than walking in that lot anyway. So hopefully I'll go up this bit and I'll be back on the path, which is pretty walkable. That's it. I'll make my way back up to the van. Nearly at the steps. There we go. Quite a few vans there now. Alright, so this is my van. Midway through conversion at the minute. I'll show you inside when I get parked up somewhere and have a bit of a tidy up. So I'm back at the van now. I'm just going to drive along Snake Pass a bit, find somewhere good to park for the night, and I'll get tidied up in the back, and then I'll show you in the back of the van.